All right, we thank you for being here today, and on behalf of Unified Command, as you're well aware now, we're very happy to report that Mark Patrick Wagnon was discovered alive this afternoon in Oconee County around 3:15, probably about a half mile away from where his vehicle was reported located on Tower Road off Highway 107 on late Thursday morning. And of course, with me is Oconee County Emergency Services Director Scott Crime, and Scott Crime is also available for some questions if anybody has any, and can certainly take those and provide any other details that were in our news release that we issued a little over an hour ago. Director Crime?
So we had a great outcome today. Location was just amazing. As the day or afternoon wore on, had some great crews out there, both family, friends that came out to search that just wanted to help, and then all our professional rescuers took 20 to 30 once we did locate him to bring him back out to the ambulance and then transport him to the ambulance where he's being treated presently. But ultimately, after 5 days in the woods, it's a great outcome.
Any questions? We want to thank a lot of course, public safety agencies that helped in our search the last few days. South Carolina State Parks have been tremendous, not only working with us and Unified Command, but also assisting with the family as well. South Carolina Department of Natural Resources, the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, Oconee County Sheriff's Office, Greenville County Emergency Management, Prisma EMS, also the United States Forest Service, assisted in our search also, and many other agencies, Anderson County, Pickens County, also participated as well. And we're also very, very grateful for the volunteer search organizations, the volunteers who came out. I think yesterday, if you count public service agencies and also volunteers, probably in the neighborhood close to about 150 yesterday, who assisted. Greenville County Sheriff's Office, of course, and Oconee County Emergency Services, who put together the Unified Command Post, which was here at the barn and here on the State Parks grounds, and about 6,000 acres of property in this area. And we are certainly praise God and are grateful for everybody's prayers that we were able to find Mr. Wagnon safe and reunite him with his family, which was our #1 goal right from the get-go since late on Thursday. So if there's no questions, we'll conclude our press briefing, and we thank you for being here. And certainly if there's any agencies that we missed, we apologize, but it just really demonstrates the partnership that all of our agencies have working together to come together to find Mark safe and reunite him with his family. So we thank you very much.
What did it mean to you to have all these people come out and help try to find Mark Wagnon?
Well, one thing that we did in our news release is we asked, obviously for the public, if they see anybody that match Mark's description, to call 911. And of course, view ring cameras, view your property and structures and things like that. But I know Director Crine can probably speak on this a little better than I can. There are a lot of great volunteer search organizations, and what they do when somebody is missing, they give of their time and their energy to go out and assist in that search. I always say that the citizens we serve are the greatest partnership we have as we forge those relationships, and without the volunteers and helping us today to do that, obviously it was a volunteer search organization that found Mark. And Director Crine, if you'd like to comment on that a little further.
Sure. It started with a camera. Someone identified a picture, and we moved the search from Greenville to here. And though days later we were able to piece it together, we located a car because a tip came in from a hiker, all of which put together to start the search, and the multitude of all the agencies, from canine agencies, from search and rescue organizations throughout the whole upstate, all together. The churches that came out from the family request to search created the 152 people yesterday, the 78 people today that were out all over the woods, from crawling on their knees to sliding down the ground to getting bee stings. all the way, the gamut today as we had an ultimate positive outcome today for that. But it takes all those agencies and people to actually, and we just thank them so much, because it was the public that ultimately brought us here, that allowed us to all to work together to have a good outcome.
And one thing I want to mention as well, and Director Crine certainly comment on this while talking about volunteers or citizens or whatnot. I know yesterday there.
That was law enforcement speaking after finding Mark Wagon today in Oconee County after SLED canceled the endangered alert today.